So in terms of getting our partners on board of the platform, so we're talking about restaurant owners, we're talking about bakeries, market stalls, hotels, supermarkets, you name it. Like we work with a long list of different types of food providers. But when we started out, it wasn't as simple as just getting people to join the platform. If we go back to a few years back when the app hadn't even been made, we were going around, we were showing people a website. So imagine that, trying to sort of win people over with such a novel and new concept when we didn't even have an app at the time. So I guess some of the challenges in which we sort of face in terms of getting people on board. People often feel that the amount of food waste they have doesn't warrant the use of a technological platform such as Too Good To Go. So it really becomes sort of like a fact-finding mission where we need to know how much food somebody has. And I think when you're talking to people who have been involved in food and beverage for so many years, it's almost like you become immune to the amount of food that you're throwing away. It becomes part of your business model, and you just sort of write it off. So again, like I think I've been mentioning this quite a bit, it's about changing perceptions and changing attitudes towards food waste. So it was getting people to sort of realise, actually, this food is perfectly good food to eat. It's costing you money. Not only is it sort of like a moral dilemma where we see, there's people going hungry around the world and we're throwing food away. Not only is it like an environmental dilemma, when we're throwing food away, it's really impacting our environment. It creates greenhouse gas emissions. And not only is it financial, you're throwing food away which you've spent a lot of time and love and money into producing this food. So it becomes a discussion where actually when you can really point this out, it becomes a bit of a no-brainer for our partners to really join this platform, but importantly, join this movement to reducing food waste.